It's tax season, and first quarter estimated taxes are due for self-employed individuals. I've got a Coda doc for you, and it's an update from last year's 2023 tax calculator that can help you calculate your estimated quarterly payment for the first quarter of 2024. All right, so let's take a look at the doc setup here. For 2024, I've already confirmed that our self-employment tax rate is going to be 15.3%. And I've taken a look at the guidelines from the IRS, and we've already updated the lower and upper bounds of the income tax brackets as well as their respective tax rates. Since the state of New York has not published new income tax brackets, the data we see here is actually from 2023, but it's quite easy to jump in and update it if there should be any changes in the future. So once you've confirmed that the state and city income tax brackets look right, it's time to dive into our tax reporting page. Let's say that your business is bringing in $60,000 this year after expenses and taxes. Then you'll want to take a look at your profit and loss statement, also called a net income statement, in your respective accounting tool. Once you see the net income, or said another way, the earnings before income and taxes, that's the number that we want to plug in at the top. So if I want to take home about $60,000 and I'm on track, then 1 quarter into the year, I would have about $15,000 of earnings before income and taxes. At the current self-employment tax rate, and given the federal, state, and city tax burden, it's estimated I'm actually taking home about 75% of my income. And the amount of money that I owe the federal government will be listed here. The state government is listed here. And the city government is listed here. This makes it easy for me to open my respective portals and pay my federal, state, and city tax burden. For the state of New York, state and city taxes are paid to the same newyork.gov portal. Once you do make a payment, make sure that you click this button here to record that payment so that your calculator will update accordingly based off of how much you've paid. So for example, if you made a payment of $100, the remaining federal payment will reflect that you've already made a payment of $100. This is how you can keep your calculator current for future quarters. This Coda doc is designed to be incredibly straightforward, and it's to help you estimate your tax burden. But remember, it's not an official tax reporting tool, and it's not an accounting solution. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.